Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily create a group chat on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, put likes, and let us get started with you. And let me start by saying that group chat is a very convenient way to communicate with several people at once. And in order to create one on your iPhone, open the messaging app to begin with. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the sign. Then you can enter, for example, a username, a person's name, selected, or you can enter a phone number, or you can click on this plus sign. So by selecting some other user, and so you can add a user and a non-organic number. Once you've selected all the users, you can write some message. Send it, and that way you have, as you can see, a group chat where multiple people and everyone can view your message. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily create a group chat on your iPhone in the messaging app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please write your comments, put your likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon, friends.